back to Kicking It with Ken. Today we got a little twist. We're going to be doing our first ride along. So it's with an RX8 with a 2JZ swap. So we're going to go to them right now. We're meeting him up at his crib. This guy is a painter. He does all the work to his car, built, not bought, which I respect a lot. And hopefully we get surprised, and hopefully you guys like the video. So please subscribe, comment, and like. And currently 2 minutes away from the guy's house, but yeah, we forgot to throw this part in the video. But basically, if you haven't seen the posts on our Instagrams and don't follow our Instagrams, we'll pop them up right here. But basically, we want to make videos on your cars. If you have something fast, and when we say fast, we're not talking about a full bolt-on Civic. We're talking about a car you put time, effort, and work into. Hit us up and we'll be down to wake up early like this and go make a video with you. Like, we're just trying to help the community out. We're trying to build the car community in our area. So if you have something to show off or something that you think is worth our time and effort to go and record, let us know. We're always willing to go out of our way for you guys.
Around the neighborhood, we weren't trying to, you know, speed around or do anything because we already had the boost map cleared out already.
Yeah.
And this guy just pulls up cocky as shit, and they're going like, hold 1 second, I just boost up. Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back. We're about to go to the first spot real quick where we're going to take all the pictures and let you guys hear what he says about the build and everything. Let me just let you know right now, you guys are not ready for this. Nah, this car is actually so fire. And his boy with the BMW, it's an M5 I believe, or he swapped the motor into an M5. I think it's an M5. Smart guy, bro. Tuner, does everything for both cars. They both do really good work on their cars. And they're very precise, and I like that. But you guys are gonna like what we're gonna have for you guys. Back to Kicking It with Ken. You know, we got the RX8. You know, he's gonna tell us a little bit about what's done to it and all that. So go ahead and introduce yourself and introduce what you do.
And all that. My name is Alexis Aricea. I'm the owner of the 2004 Mazda RX8. This was a long time project coming, about 2 years in the making. We have done a couple of goodies on it, not typically done to an RX8. We added some bucket seats. We did the interior. We did a standalone computer system in it. So we used a laptop or the iPad to actually do all the tuning live as we drive the car or use it on the dyno. We added 2460 LPH fuel pumps there to feed it.
Oh, yeah.
We have 20-inch Nichi rims, 20 by 11.5s right now. Those come off when I go to the track. Get 18s with some slicks. Have the flip paint job is not a wrap. It was done by me also.
Hit him up if you need a paint job around the area, bro.
Blue, red, gold, and green.
Let's try to get it.
Super sequential blow-off valve, wrapped hood, duck-bill trunk lid. Oh yeah, and I fixed something that's a big problem with this RX8s. These 13B Renaissance engines are crappy, like everybody knows. So I decided to fix the problem. Everything is custom in here.
And it's
We
on
just
bags.
retuned the engine because we blew the head. We didn't have double spring valves installed in it the first time we ran, and we overlapped the valve, so we had to get a new head. It's running a GE head, better flow, GTE block, 3582 dual ball bearing turbos. Turbo, sorry. 1000cc injectors, running a micro squirt. It's tuned right now by Dominic Evelyn, a good friend of mine. Spent hours, days on this tune, and then we finally got it running decent, at least 780 wheel horsepower.
Hell yeah.
Actually, not wheel horsepower, just regular horsepower. We haven't taken it to dyno yet, but that's what we had. We had 850 before we blew the head. Now we're starting from zero again. So we at that right now.
Well, how long have you had the?
I had the car for 2.5 years. I lasted with a 13 motor after I put a supercharger about a month. Then to rebuild those motors, they're quite expensive, almost $5,000. And then just a pack of O-rings and Vaseline, for real.
Yeah.
You got any future plans for it?
Future plans right now, maybe change the rear. Right now I'm running on a 326 rear, so I have pretty long range. So I want it more snappy. Probably jump up to a 373 rear. And that's about it, because I like to drive it. Right now it's running almost on full E85. I'm at E40 right now with boost stands. So
That's fire.
That's just fire.
it's keeping the car reliable. That's
The goal.
yeah, the goal, exactly.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a master technician. I work for a used car dealership right now.
Gotcha.
And I have my own shop at the house where I do everything in-house. Fabrication, paint,
You paint, right?
engine, yeah, I do everything.
So if you need paint or anything, you let us know. We got a guy.
Any type of car, could be German, Japanese, American, whatever.
Hey,
That's it too.
stay fucking tuned.
The next ones. That's not even pushing it, bro.
Oh, sheesh. That's not even pushing it.
Second gear. I'm a third gear right now, chilling.
Bitch daily or?
I try daily, but I like AC.
Yeah, I feel you.
So I'll be driving the M5 more. Yeah, that I'll jump in the bike too.
Yeah.
Como lo sé, mira empezó, está más duro que esta canción. Presta atención, como este chamaquito venía de esta dimensión. Siente calor.
God damn. 2J.
2Js have a unique sound, nigga.
Swear.
They don't sound like any other motor, dog.
This is my first ever car I've been in that's like built.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I always got into like stock cars. Like You know, they got flash tune,
Oh,
this and that.
now you're gonna be able to put out to the world what I've been hiding and basically nurturing.
Yeah.
I've been building this shit in my house. Like, I went through a divorce and everything for this car. Like, you don't see a sad face on mine.
Facts. This nigga has a smile on him all day.
And I'm single. Having a 326 rear, long rear like I got,
Yeah.
I get to use every single amount of horsepower the engine can put out. I'm not just limiting myself in shifting at 55 or 6. I'm shifting at 73. I can squeeze all the way while you over this shifting. I'm still in one gear, dog. Gaining clutch or dual.
How much is this shit pushing?
Horsepower?
Yeah.
About 760.
Oh my god.
760. I was at 850 before, and then I blew the head because it wasn't tuned right. But now Dominic got my shit running. Shout out to Dominic Evelyn. Without him, I couldn't do what I was doing just now. Do burnouts, nothing like that. It's just certain people are good at certain things. You know what I'm saying? I'm good at building, good at tuning, not that great. He's better, way better. I'll get him running and I get him on and running enough for when he grabs it, it's perfect.
Damn.
How many cars after I burn out and do all this shit that I just did
And are just chilling.
Yeah.
So welcome back to Kicking It with Ken. You know, as you've seen, we just did the ride along with my boy. That is just a different breed. I never experienced something like that ever. Like, I'm telling you, just crazy, just crazy. But yeah, you know, like he said, if you guys need anything, hit him up. You know, like throughout the video, he's a painter. He does a bunch of stuff. So if you ever need any, and if you're in need of any of those stuff, hit us up and we got you. And my boy, I appreciate it for the ride. No problem. Thank you.